Bandera Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
Oh yeah, you heard it right. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. 107.1 News FM. Radyo Bandera Olongapo City. Hey, welcome everybody. Lunes na naman, ano? It's another Monday. Pasimula na naman bagong week natin. Okay, welcome to the Monday edition of this radio show. This is Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy J. March 23, 2026 edition. Ayan, panimula natin. Congratulations muna sa sa SBMA Gender and Development, pati na rin sa Miranda Run Events for successfully organizing a fun run for women, half marathon for women yesterday, kahapon, linggo. Ayan, it was such a successful event. Ang daming umattend, ha? Tsaka ang galing ng mga gimmick, ha? Merong iba't ibang talagang for women, no? Like pagka ang mga top finishers na inawardan lang, babae lang kasi it's female half marathon ang title. Although they allowed the guys, yung mga kalalakihan na sumali, no? Okay? Pero yung mga top finishers lang, yung nag-podium, yung nabigyan ng medal, lahat naman may medal, finishers medal. Pero yung top medal, top yung podium, no? Puro female lang. Kasi it's in celebration of Women's Month. And tayo naman mga kalalakihan, hayaan natin. Sila lang ang may award, sila lang month naman nila di ba? Basta tuwing gabi naman is the Men's Night. Sa bahay ni DJ Tommy J, araw-araw Women's Day. All year round, 365 days a year. Women's Day lagi. Pagdating ng gabi, Men's Night. In the Tommy G household. Okay, so that was yesterday, FHM as they call it, the Female Half Marathon event organized by the SBMA Gender and Development program of the SBMA. As you guys know, I work for SBMA, syempre. And also, with the help of the Miranda Run events of Ati Marites Miranda. Shout out to you guys, okay? Great job yesterday. Okay, and time now for today's holidays and observances. Mga kaganapan for March 23. What's going on for March 23? The highlights, the daily observances that is, okay? March 23 is World Meteorological Day. Ayun, nabuyoy pa. Established back in 1951 to commemorate the establishment of the World Meteorological Organization on back in 23rd of March 1950. Ang tagal na pala, no? So matagal na ang March 23 na World Meteorological Day. Ayan. Alam niyo yung mga bata kung medyo interested sila ng konti sa meteorology, sa astronomy, ayan, pagbigyan nyo sila, di ba? It would be nice if kids know a lot about meteorology, no? Ang ganda yan, maganda, di ba? Something that's really interesting. Kesa naman ang expertise nila is laging Roblox, Minecraft. Oh, speaking of Roblox, ha? Di ba? Pinag-uusapan na, no? Na maaaring maiban ang Roblox sa Pilipinas in light of the kids that were intervened, no? May mga may mga bata kasing nire-recruit na. Buti na lang nakapag-intervene yung PNP. If you guys are not familiar, if you're not aware, sa Roblox kasi may mga kung tawagin ay game room, may chat capability. Yung mga walang magawang tao, yung mga walang ibang kaligayahan kundi maghasik ng kaguluhan, nagre-recruit sila ng mga bata, 'di ba? Siyempre uutuin muna 'yan, bata 'yan, madaling mauto 'yan 'di ba? Yung mga nire-recruit nila mga ano ba yung mga huli kong nasa grade 4, grade 5 ganyan, no? So inuto nila. Tapos nung nakapag-intervene, buti na lang na-intervene ng PNP. Tinuturuan na sila, nasa stage na tinuturuan na kung paano maghahasik ng kaguluhan, ng katakutan sa eskwela nila. Tinuturuan pang gumawa kung paano gumawa ng homemade weapon, homemade gun. Sus Maria Josep, mga bata lang 'to. 'Di ba? Kaya yung mga alam mo yung mga organization, yung mga scrupulous, wala naman akong binabanggit in particular, tamaan na yung tamaan. May mga religious organization na gustong-gusto, bata ang kukunin. Wala akong sinabi in particular, ha? All religions to. Pansin nyo ba, lahat ng relihiyon gusto dalhin yung bata sa kanila. Di ba? Dalhin nyo yung bata para doktrinahan, turuan matakot kay ganito, kay ganun. Di ba? Hindi ako pabor doon. I don't agree with that. Di ba? Okay? Kasi lahat naman ng relihiyon, sinasabi nila, relihiyon sila ang tunay. Paano yung ibang relihiyon? Yun din ang sinasabi, sila din ang tunay. Di ba? They are the real religion. O sinong mali? Sinong hindi tama? Sinong myth lang, no? Katahang isip lang sino? Could it be everybody? Ganun. It harbors on child abuse na talaga. Yung bata pa yung kaisipan, hinuhubog mo na into something na gusto mo. Di ba? Yung kagustuhan mo, sinasalaksak mo na yung gusto mo. Yung ideolohiya, yung paniniwala. That's not right, baby. No. Let kids be kids. Enjoy sila, maging masaya sila, maglaro sila. They have the right to play, to study, to be happy, the right for education. Yan. Hindi kasama yung yung the right to maging kaparte, kagrupo ng may mga ideolohiya na pinaglalaban na hindi maintindihan. No. Pinaglalaban nyo, inyo na lang, di ba? Okay? Let kids be kids. Ganun yun eh. So ito na nga, yung Roblox baka nga maban na. Pinag-uusapan na kung paano na yung gagawin eh. Alam niyo, nasa Roblox lang din naman yan eh. Kung gusto nilang gawa ng paraan, magagawa nila ng paraan yan na wala na yung mga ganyang feature na kung saan mamamanipulate yung bata. Di ba? My kid is muntik na rin. Nag-uumpisa na maging victim ng namamanipulate na siya. Buti na lang nakita ng ate niya. So we intervened. Alam mo yun, yung nauutusan na ibigay yung Robux money sa Roblox, ganun. Parang namamanipulate na siya. Buti na lang we were able to intervene quickly. Ayun, napigilan agad, no? So kayo rin, lahat. Wala namang masama kung naglalaro sila ng Roblox. Pero bantayan nyo. Huwag nyo hayaan na sila lang on their own. Para nakikita nyo kung may mali, may ano. Tsaka, at a young age, alam mo, para silang sponge eh. Madali nilang ma-absorb. Kung madali silang ma-manipulate ng iba, na ganito yung gawin mo, na hindi tama, madali mo rin silang ma-manipulate na, anak, ito yung tama, ito yung mali. Doon tayo lagi sa tama, ha? Di ba? O di, i-counter mo. Ganun lang yun eh. Ako, that's the pep talk that I had with my son. Sabi ko, matalino ka naman anak. Alam mo yung tama, alam mo yung mali. Ha? Pag mali, wag mong susundin. Di ba? Doon ka sa tama. And we're always here to guide you. Pwede ka magtanong sa akin. Ganun lang gagawin nyo. Di ba? Gagabayan nyo lang sila lagi. Okay? So yan, isa sa mga latest news natin ngayon yan dito sa Pilipinas. Ibaban na ang Roblox. So kids na big fan ng Roblox. Yung iba, hindi lang talaga big fan eh. Parang kung umasta, it's their life eh. And parents na rin na nakikinig ngayon, kausapin nyo yung mga anak nyo, malayo pa, hindi pa nababan. O anak ha, huwag kang mabibigla. Huwag kang, alam ko, siyempre, naintindihan natin eh. Naging bata rin tayo once eh. Yung bagay na gustong-gusto natin na gustong-gusto natin ginagawa, siyempre, alisin mo sa atin, masakit yan eh, no? Di ba? Kahit ngayon eh, kahit nga adult ka ngayon eh, if there's something you love doing, tas inalis sa'yo bigla, di ba? Masakit, di ba? Okay? So, ngayon pa lang kausapin nyo na sila. Ako, I had my pep. When I heard that in the news, kinausap ko kagad si Bunso kasi hilig niya yan, favorite niya yan. Sinabihan ko siya na, anak, soon tatanggalin na yung Roblox, aalisin na, ibaba na sa Pilipinas. Huwag kang mabibigla, ha? Huwag kang magugulat, huwag kang mag-iiyak, magngangawa, ngaw. Alam ko, love na love mo yan. Pero, lagi mong iisipin kasi kaya nila gagawin yun, it's for the common good, no? Para sa kapakinabangan ng marami kasi naaabuso naa-abuse. May mga batang naging biktima ng hindi magandang bagay. Naintindihan niya, di ba? Ganun lang yun eh. Kung sila ay madaling ma-manipulate, i-manipulate mo rin into doing the right thing, into tama. Parang yun yung counter mo doon eh, no? Ganun lang yun eh. Okay? Again, madali silang mag-absorb ng knowledge, ng learning dahil mga bata yan eh. Kaya nga sila madaling ma-recruit nitong mga lekat na mga walang magawang magaling sa buhay eh. Di ba? Kasi they absorb learning quickly. Okay? Kailangan lang sa tama sila. Yun ang ma-absorb nila yung tama, hindi yung mali. So, yeah. Going back to today's holidays and observances, ba't ba napunta ako doon? Because of the, yung tama. Meteorological day. Yeah, ano pa? What else? For March 23, March 23 is also International Day of, what's this? Puppy Day. Ayun, there you go. Puppy Day! Wow. Alam nyo, may mga asong cute. Di ba? May mga asong magaganda, cute. Lalo pa pag puppy, no? Ang cute-cute! International Puppy Day. Ayan, March 23. For those who love dogs.
And Chia Day. You know the chia seeds, yung maganda raw sa katawan. Sabi nila, ano daw siya magandang isama sa water, tapos iinumin mo. You will feel busog for a long period of time. So, on tendency, hindi ka kain ng kain. Tapos wala siyang masamang effect sa'yo. Hindi ka tataba. Nakakatulong pa nga raw magkapag-lose weight ang chia. Chia seeds. Mahal ba? I don't know. Hindi pa ako bumibili Today is also International Tamale Day. The tamale. Actually, ang tamale, it's like, ano ba? Kumbaga sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, kakanin yan no? Pero of Mexican origin ang tamale. Yan, parang national, pambansang kakanin nila yan ng Mexico. Tsaka I don't know kung sa Spain, ganun din. Tamale. Yan. My father, when he was still alive, adik na adik sa tamale. Ewan ko saan siya bumibili Pero nowadays, wala ka nang mabibila ng tamale dito, no? Dati marami nagbebenta yan noon, naalala ko pa when I was a kid. I don't know now. Sinong merong nakakaalam na may nagtitinda ng tamale? You let me know. Message nyo po ako. We are live on Facebook right now. We have the live video. Yan. Message nyo ako, ha? Let me know. Saan nakakabili ng tamale? Yan. Near Miss Day. Look, they're nearly miss. World Optometry Day din. Yan. So, all optometrists. Yan. Ito yung day nila. And lastly, Atheist Day. Okay? World Atheist Day ang March 23. All right? So, about this event, this is the Atheist Day to help other atheists find community and to normalize atheism. On this day, we recognize the struggle of atheists to live authentic lives in many parts of the world, the fight to openly affirm one's atheism, and the fear of intolerant governments, mobs, and religious zealots. Ayan. Itong maganda kanina nabanggit ko na rin lang yung religion, ano? Itong maganda sa atheism. Atheism, hindi yan religion. It's a belief system. 'Di ba? Walang fino-force sa'yo na sambahin mo, walang fino-force sa'yo na kung sino paniwala. Well, definition of religion is, yun, religion, may sinasamba, may icon na pinapalo, or may pinaniniwalaan. Sa atheism, wala. Okay? Parang teaching you to be neutral. Okay? Di ba? Yun ang maganda sa atheism Kaya mas gusto ko to kaysa sa any other religion. Well, wala kasing sinasamba, you do what you wanna do, just always be good. Parang ganon. Di ba? Ganon ang sa atheism. Okay? And atheists, they don't argue. Bahala ka kung anong paniniwala mo, I'm happy for you. Ayan. Tsaka open din ang mga atheists, kunyari dumating yung time na, eto, nagpakita siya, okay. Ganon. Wala po silang sinasamba. Okay? Wala rin sinasamba na let's say, kagaya ng sa paganism, di ba? Isa sa mga sinasamba na araw, di ba? Or buwan, or, no mythic figures. Okay? That's why I like atheism. All right? Okay, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And now let's proceed to the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. All of you March 23 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Check out the Lent special of Angel's Pizza. This segment is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Meatless but never flavorless. Tama-tama for Lent, for the Lenten season, we make iwas muna sa mga meat, sa mga karne, no? So this Lent season, enjoy Angel's Pizza favorites made perfect for the season. From the rich and cheesy Hallelujah mozzarella and the savory garlic shrimp and the crowd favorite creamy spinach dip. Every slice is made for sharing. Okay, so visit Angel's Pizza today. All right, and visit the store is what I mean of Angel's Pizza, and they are located at number 395 Rizal Avenue. Ayan, West Tapinac, Olongapo City. Doon po located ang Angel's Pizza, ha? Okay? And visit their menu on Facebook. Just look it up also, Angel's Pizza Olongapo. They're more than just pizza. A whole lot more, okay? And also, you may
You may call or text the official text digits of Angel's Pizza Olongapo. It's 0927-117-9020. Open Monday to Sunday. Walang sara day. Open lagi. 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Pag weekend hanggang 1 a.m. pa. Okay? And now on with today's famous people celebrating their birthdays. Filipino actor, model, and TV presenter. This is a very talented guy. He can also rap. Si Geoff Igerman. Okay? Also, happy birthday to Val Soto. TV actor, Filipino actor Val Soto. Ayan, kapatid ng mga Soto, of course. Vic Soto, Tito Soto, Joey Soto. Ay, hindi. Joey De Leon pala yan. Alam mo, idol ko yan si Joey De Leon. Ayan, sa pagpapatawa, siya talaga yung pinaka number one, main idol ko sa pagpapatawa. Di ba? He's very funny. I was very happy when I met him in person for the first time. A couple of years back, we went to TV5. Yan. Yan po yung nasa banner picture ko. Yan. Nakaharap ako kay Kuya Joey De Leon. Yung atin namang kaibigan na si DJ Eric Ison, nakaharap naman kay ni Vic Soto. Yan yung nasa banner picture natin. Yan, sa Facebook. Okay, some more famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Sino pa? Who else do we gotta greet? Happy birthday din kay CJ Perry, wrestler from WWE. The women's edition. Jason Kidd of the NBA, former basketball player, now coach. All right? Jason Kidd turns 53 today. And he was really, really good. Good point guard. Okay? Napakagaling na point guard during his heyday, of course. Hindi na ngayon. But he's a good coach now. Michelle Monaghan of Hollywood. She's a movie and TV actress. She turns 50 today, si Michelle Monaghan. And singer Chaka Khan turns 73 today. Happy birthday also to popular blogger Perez Hilton. He's kind of, notorious sa mga celebrities. He turns 48 today. Ayesha Curry turns 37, the wife, the better half of Stephen Curry. Okay? TV actor Randall Park turns 52. Victoria Pedretti turns 31, TV actress. Dami ha? TV actress Vanessa Morgan also celebrating her birthday today. And Kyrie Irving, another NBA player. Kyrie Irving turns 34 today. Rock singer Damon Albarn of the alternative rock band Blur. He turns 58 today. Okay, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you March 23 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn, you guys tell me who's celebrating your birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. Call or text me up. And you may also message your birthday shoutouts on the Facebook live video. Comment on the live video that we have. Okay? Naka-up na siya ngayon sa Radyo Bandera Facebook page. I also shared it on Olongapo related pages and my page, of course. Yours truly, DJ Tommy G. Just look it up. Okay? For the meantime, we will pause for a short break. We will be back with more and songs coming from birthday celebrants. We will be right back.